If you want to connect a USB drive, flash drive, pen drive, or even hard drive to your TCL Roku TV and maybe watch videos, photos, movies, and other media files, there is a simple way to set it up in just a few steps. Before you begin, make sure your external device is formatted in a supported file system, such as FAT32, NTFS, exFAT, HFS+, or maybe Linux-based formats like XT2 and XT3. Now, all you gotta do is just plug in your drive into the USB port on the back of your TV. You should immediately see a pop-up on your screen. Using your remote, select Allow, and then select Launch. And then the Roku Media Player will open automatically. Just in case if it doesn't, from your home screen, just look for the Roku Media Player under your app section, and then just open it. Your external drive will show up in here, and from here you can either browse the All Files section or just navigate through the different folders on your USB drive. You can access your music, photos, and videos files from here. Just make sure the file formats are compatible with your TV, otherwise they won't play. And that's pretty much how you can connect any USB drive to your TCL Roku and access files from it. Thanks for your time.